December 1 to 31 ang kanilang sale. Kaya naman, ako ay nandito. Hi mga Zooks! For today's video, nandito na naman ako sa Home Factory. Dito yan sa may Mandaluyong. Dahil, alam nyo ba, super sale sila dahil magpapasko. December 1 to 31 ang kanilang sale. Kaya naman, ako ay nandito. Ayan o, makikita nyo yan. Lahat ng kailangan ninyo ay nandito. Kailangan nyong pamparaffle or anything na pang gift. Ayan siya. Nandito ako dahil titingnan namin yung lazy boy na pipiliin namin. And yung kama na pinareserve namin. At kung ano pa yung mga makikita namin na kakailanganin namin dito sa bahay. Hello ate! Kumusta? Okay lang po. We are back. Nag-blue talaga kami today.
Paagi tayo, ma'am.
Oo nga eh. Tingin-tingin namin yung ano, yun yung lazy boy.
Lazy boy, ma'am.
Oh, ito na agad. Kasi yung bed natin, babe, is cream. So siguro dapat contrast naman. Ito.
Ano color ng bed niyo, ma'am?
Gray or...
Di ba dito ako bumili ng bed, ate? Nakalimutan mo na. Di ba, cream?
Yung gray. Pwede naman yung mga datong or light.
Light na yun eh. Dapat medyo dark
Ito,
konti.
yung mga ganito lang.
Gusto mo yan? Ayaw mo yung old school?
Yun ang old school.
Ayaw mo yung old school?
With the classic.
Oo.
Gusto ni Sir.
Ito sa meron pa pala sa ilalim.
Eh, ma'am, light din yun. Kasi
Oo,
yung color.
Pero mas maganda leather kasi syempre the kids.
Yeah.
Para po less than.
Kasi ito.
So gusto mo leather?
Pag-fabric kasi.
Brown kaya, daddy?
Ah,
Brown. I'm a brown?
actually just sleep here, no?
Maganda yan.
It's really comfy.
Paano ba ito? Ate, remote. Sasaklang natin, no?
Remote?
Yes, po.
Didn't you wear blue the last time we came here?
I was wearing the sleeveless.
May remote siya, ma'am, na yan natin.
Talaga remote?
Pero if ito, pwede ibang kulay? Or...
Yung color natin.
Ah,
Kung
okay.
ano yung nandito yun.
Yes, po.
Yun na lang.
Sa outlet natin, ma'am, pagka ano, ayun yung color na.
Why did I stay? I should be leaving. Hear what I say without even speaking. My compass is off. Why did I choose you? I'm just too lost. I need to cut loose. I keep it in my head. I keep it locked away. My friends think that this is over. Guess it's the price I paid. Played with the enemy. Now I got you on my shoulders. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love again. Let me love again.
Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again. Let go and let me love. Let me let go and let me love. Let me love again.
Wanna let go, I wanna lose you. Fall out of love as you're supposed.
Yan. Thank you so much, Home Factory. Ngayon naman, since malapit tayo sa Mandaluyong, andito tayo ngayon sa Shangri-La dahil kakain kami, gugutom na us. Nag-ano kasi kami kanina, meeting kami ng breakfast, kaya kasama ko sila Curtis, si Jill, tsaka si Ryan.
Sumidala ako ng tubig.
Ayan, tapos meron pa nga silang padalang donuts. Itadali na lang natin sa mga bata. Baka kailangan ibaba mo yung donuts na Curtis, maiinitan yun.
They will melt.
Ito?
Dalhin mo na.
Ano ba? Anong lang?
Donuts! Alert!
Ano pala?
Kakain lang kami, tapos babalik na rin kami sa hotel. I need to rest. Ang aga naming nagising, in fairness. Napaka-productive ng araw. Hindi ko na i-binlog kanina yung yung meeting namin kasi medyo wala naman dun mai-share dahil confidential pa yung ilang mga topics doon. So now we are waiting for our turn dito sa Valley kasi since Pasko ang daming tao sa mall and walang parking, so magpapa-Valley kami and may pila siya, so we are just here. Dito ka na lang daddy kasi pag doon pinapaikot pa yun, no? Pagkaya ng ginawa sa atin kanina. Nakadalawang ikot na kami actually, pero at least ngayon may pag-asa na kami. Dami na kasing nagle-late shopping. Mga late tayo. Naman dito. Daming lights, oh. Hi, mga zoobs! Ayan, mas maganda ilaw na ganyan. Kami ay may dinner. Christmas dinner ito ni Direct Mark. Annual na itong ginagawa. And, dati lagi akong present. Siyempre, nung nagpunta na tayo sa Australia, absent na tayo. So, ito ulit yung unang pagkakataon na present ako. At kasama ko siyempre si Andy. Dito kami kung saan siya nakatiro. Tignan natin kung papayagin na tayong i-vlog. Hindi ko pa sure. Magpapaalam muna tayo syempre. Pero sinend na sa akin yung mga pagkain. So tignan natin. Ayun, mali si Waze. Kala namin malapit na kami. Mali yung gate na pinasukan namin. But, still, nandito na rin kami sa area. And, gutom na ako. Sinend sa akin ni Direct Mark yung cheese platter na napakarami. Oh my gosh. Parang parang Australia lang. Nakakamiss tuloy yung cheese platter ni Ebony dun sa Australia. Kasi ganun karami, ganun kalaki. Anyway, yan, I'll keep you updated mga zoobs dahil ito na nga, malapit na tayo sa dinner but I am not sure kung pwede natin siyang i-vlog for tonight's video. I'll let you know.
Yes, guys, it's that time of the night.
It's Merry Christmas.
Sure is. It's Merry Christmas just around the corner.
Yeah.
And what date are we opening?
14.
December 14. So let's
December 14.
open her up.
Open
Ooh, it's a big one. Whoop. Whoop. Oh.
Shake it first.
What do you think it is? Oh, let's guess first. Let's guess.
Toy.
Let's guess. Alright, so we'll show the camera first. It's number 14. Alright, what do you think it is?
Toy.
Alrighty.
I'm gonna
So you
open
open it from the top.
Open
No, from there.
this.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, wow. Don't pull it. It's for the Christmas tree.
It says our last name.
It says our last name.
That's for Daddy.
How good is this?
That's for Daddy.
Smith family from the Hilton. Wow. That is so cool. Look, oh.
They should make an ugly of.
But all we're missing actually is the Christmas tree.
Yeah,
So you'd learn.
Yeah.
So this is really, really cool.
You can buy one
It's a
from
really
Shopee.
nice personalized gift. So thank you very much to the
Maybe
Hilton.
we'll get ornaments.
We don't know. Yeah, maybe we might.
Daddy,
We should get a tree, pala.
Daddy, can we check the other one too?
No, we'll do it tomorrow. Anyway, we need a Christmas tree, so we should probably start looking, or we should just buy one online. Let's see. But anyway,
Shopee.
thank you so much, guys, for watching the vlog. We will see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.